how to change or how to create YouTube banner image, first go to YouTube Studio, then click on customization option on the left hand side, then choose the branding option. After you choose the branding option, you can see the option to change or remove the banner image. Now, if you click on the change, you can also see the dimension with which you want to create. Then go to canva.com, create a design, click on create a design, click on custom size, then choose the custom size, write the custom size which was there in the YouTube Studio, 2048 into 1152 pixels, and the image should be less than 6 MB, right? So write it down 2048 and create new design. You will see a canvas of that size. Now, the problem is once you create the image, it should be visible in all devices. So we need to create the image on this dimension only, viewable on all devices, not viewable on desktop or viewable on TV. Only we need to consider this area, middle section, viewable on all devices. Okay, so we just need to do some trial and error. What we do here, we need first write it down whatever you want to do on the main image. Then we need to adjust it and we need to try on the YouTube Studio. Let's download this first and let's see uh, in what section this entire image is coming. Let's change and upload here and let's check, is it coming in the main dimension? No, it's not coming. Then we need to adjust it again and we need to try again, right? Now we need to make sure that it is viewable on all devices. We'll go to Canva again. Okay, we'll go to Canva again and we need to check, okay, so that it should come on all the devices. Now we updated it. Okay, now it's clearly visible. Now click on done. Okay, now once we have done that, we need to also see that how I added this colors, this gradient. Okay, how I added this laptop, how I added this text. Now you can go to the elements, you can click on gradient. Okay, gradient, when you see, you will see multiple color option. You can play with these colors so that you can add it. Okay, and I selected a simple background of yellow color. Okay, now I written down all the text. I clicked on effects, okay, so that I can highlight my main mission statement. Then for laptop also, I went to the elements, I clicked laptop. Whatever item you want, you can simply type it on the element option. You will get a lot of graphics, right, which you can use to create your banner image. Now after that, you click on download, and after download, you select the page. Okay, here it is the page number one which I want to download, and click on download. Your banner image will be ready, and you can simply click on the change option there and upload this banner image. It will be viewable on all devices. This, if you want to create 5 income streams through YouTube, you can apply to work with me. Link is in description, and you can also book one-to-one meeting with me. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.